Tired of overspending and watching your hard-earned money disappear into thin air? You're not alone. Many people are looking for ways to regain control of their finances, and apps like Rocket Money have emerged as potential solutions. But before you hand over your bank account information to any app, a crucial question arises: is it safe to give Rocket Money access to your bank account? This isn't just about convenience, it's about security. We're talking about your money, your hard-earned savings, and potentially sensitive financial data. So, let's dive deep and explore the safety and security aspects of connecting Rocket Money to your bank account. Data breaches. One of the biggest concerns is the risk of a data breach. What if Rocket Money servers are hacked? Could your bank account information fall into the wrong hands? This is a legitimate fear, and we'll address it head-on. Unauthorized transactions. Could Rocket Money initiate unauthorized transactions from your linked bank account? This is a critical question that needs to be thoroughly investigated. Privacy concerns. What kind of data does Rocket Money collect? How do they use this data? Do they share it with third parties? These privacy concerns are paramount and require careful consideration. Now, let's explore the steps Rocket Money takes to ensure the security of your financial data. Encryption. Rocket Money utilizes industry-standard encryption protocols to protect your data both in transit and at rest. This means your bank account information is scrambled and unreadable to anyone who might intercept it. Data security audits. Regular security audits are conducted to identify and address any potential vulnerabilities in their systems. Two-factor authentication. 2FA. Many users can enable 2FA for an added layer of security, requiring a second form of verification, like a code sent to your phone, before you can log in. Transparency. Rocket Money strives for transparency in its data handling practices. They have a clearly defined privacy policy that outlines how they collect, use, and share your data. While Rocket Money employs security measures, it's crucial to acknowledge that no system is entirely foolproof. Third-party integrations. If Rocket Money integrates with other financial services, it introduces another layer of potential risk. Data breaches within these third-party providers could indirectly compromise your information. Human error. Even with robust security measures, human error can still occur. To mitigate these risks and enhance your overall security, review Rocket Money's privacy policy. Carefully read their privacy policy to understand their data collection and usage practices. Monitor your bank accounts regularly. Keep a close eye on your bank account activity for any suspicious transactions. Enable 2FA. If available, enable 2FA for your Rocket Money account and any linked financial services. Limit account access. Only grant Rocket Money the necessary permissions to access your bank account information. Stay informed. Stay updated on Rocket Money's security practices and any relevant news or updates regarding their platform. Beyond the technical aspects, it's important to consider the ethical implications of sharing your financial data with a third-party app. Data ownership. You own your financial data. Be mindful of how much data you share and with whom. Algorithm bias. Be aware of potential biases within the algorithms used by Rocket Money or other financial technology companies. These biases could inadvertently impact your financial decisions. Rocket Money is just one of many financial management tools available. Explore alternative options that may better suit your individual needs and risk tolerance. Consider manual budgeting methods, spreadsheets, notebooks, and budgeting apps that don't require bank account connections can offer a more privacy-focused approach. Research other financial management apps. Explore apps with different security models, such as those that aggregate data without direct bank account access. Conduct thorough research. Before connecting any financial app to your bank account, conduct thorough research on the company's security practices, data privacy policies, and user reviews. Ultimately, the decision of whether or not to give Rocket Money access to your bank account is a personal one. Weigh the benefits. Consider the potential benefits of using Rocket Money, such as identifying subscriptions, tracking spending, and finding ways to save money. Assess the risks. Carefully evaluate the potential risks associated with sharing your financial data. Prioritize your privacy. Choose the option that best aligns with your personal values and risk tolerance. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.